Hi, I'm Lindy from Project Portfolio Office, and we are excited to share further enhancements that we've made to our customizable homepage, and that's the ability to copy homepages. This video is specifically aimed for PPO administrators as you have access to set defaults for your users. I'll be covering two scenarios in this video. So I'm currently logged in as a PPO administrator. I have my standard dashboard, which shows my full portfolio of projects, and I've got my standard home page. What I'd like to do, because I'm a project manager on certain projects, in addition to being a PPO administrator, I would like a copy of the project manager's homepage reflected on my homepage. How I would go about doing that is navigating to administration, selecting widget configuration, and on the left hand side click on home. So the first thing we want to do is copy the project manager's homepage. Here you will notice a copy tab icon, so I'm just clicking on that, and I'd like to paste it on the PPO administrator user group's homepage. I select PPO administrators over here. It does take a couple of seconds because there's quite a bit happening in the background. And here you will notice a new paste tab icon. So I'm pasting my new project manager's homepage over here. The next thing you'll notice, once the tab has been copied, it has the same name as your initial one, so you can rename the tab and click on Save. Once that is saved and I go back to my home page and I hit refresh, you'll see I now have the additional copied project manager's homepage. The second scenario that I'd like to share is I've added a new user group for external project managers as an example. So if I go to my widget configuration and I just have a look at external project managers, they only inherit the initial home page that all the user groups do have. What I'd like to do here is to also make a copy of the project manager's user group over here. And this is the one I'd like to copy, so I use the Copy tab. Click on the drop down, and where I want to paste it is on the external project manager's user group that I've created. So I will select that over there. Again, it does take a couple of seconds as there's a lot happening in the background. Something important to note, when I set up my external project manager's user group, I changed the logical access controls. So my external project managers don't have access to costs in PPO. So the homepage that I've copied over will have a couple of differences. So here you can see the dashboard has been copied. And if I were to scroll down, we would not see any cost-related information. That's basically it. I hope you guys enjoy the new functionality. If you guys have not yet subscribed to our blog, please do so by going to our website. Go to ppo.com, under company, select blog, and you just complete the email address, first name and last name, then click. Thanks for watching.